Hi everyone. Today we're diving into a popular South African brokerage IFX brokers, whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out. This video will give you everything you need to know about IFX brokers, its features, and why it might be the right choice for you. So let's get into it. IFX Brokers is a South African broker founded in 2018. They are regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, or FSCA, which means they meet the strict requirements set by South African financial laws. So if you're concerned about safety, you're in good hands. They offer access to a wide range of trading instruments, from forex pairs to indices, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies. Plus, they provide different account types to suit both beginner and professional traders. MetaTrader 4 is one of the most popular platforms for forex traders, and it's available at IFX Brokers. MT4 offers a user-friendly interface, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Some key features include advanced charting tools for technical analysis, customizable indicators, and automated trading, with expert advisors, a wide range of timeframes and order types. Secure trading with real-time data and instant execution available on desktop, web, and mobile, allowing you to trade from anywhere. MT4's reputation as a reliable and versatile platform makes it an excellent choice for traders of all levels. For those who want a more advanced trading experience, IFX Brokers also provides MetaTrader 5. MT5 offers all the features of MT4, but with additional tools and functionalities, making it ideal for more experienced traders. Some of the key benefits include more advanced charting tools and analytical features, additional timeframes from 1 minute to 1 month charts for more detailed market analysis, a built-in economic calendar for tracking key events and their impact on markets, more order types for flexibility in placing trades, faster execution speeds, and multi-asset support, allowing you to trade forex, indices, stocks, and commodities in one place. MT5 is the go-to platform for traders who need cutting-edge features and access to a wider range of instruments. IFX Brokers offers several account types tailored to different levels of traders. Let's break them down. IFX Standard Account. This account is perfect for beginner to intermediate traders. It features competitive spreads and no commission on trades. The Standard Account offers a balanced approach for those who are just starting out but still want access to major instruments like forex, indices, and commodities. The low minimum deposit requirement makes it a good entry point for many traders. IFX Premium Account. The Premium Account is a step up, offering tighter spreads than the Standard Account. It's suited for traders who are looking for a bit more control over their costs and want better execution conditions with a moderate minimum deposit. It's designed for traders who have some experience and are ready to trade in larger volumes. IFX VIP Account. For high volume and professional traders, the VIP account is the go-to option. It comes with extremely tight spreads and priority execution. The VIP account offers an enhanced trading experience with personalized customer support and additional perks. However, this account requires a higher minimum deposit. IFX Islamic Swap-Free Account. For traders who adhere to Islamic principles, IFX Brokers provides an Islamic swap-free account. This account eliminates overnight interest charges swaps while still offering access to all of the trading instruments. It's ideal for long-term traders who want to trade in accordance with Islamic law. IFX Cent Account. The IFX Cent Account is perfect for beginners or those who want to trade with smaller amounts. It operates with cents instead of dollars, so you can trade with minimal risk. This is a great option for practicing your strategies or testing new markets without committing large sums of money. IFX Raw Account. The IFX Raw Account is tailored for experienced traders looking for raw spreads. It offers direct market access with ultra-type spreads, and commissions are charged per trade. This account is designed for traders who want transparency and direct pricing from liquidity providers, allowing for tighter control over costs. One thing to note is the leverage. IFX Brokers offers high leverage up to 1 to 1,000, which is great if you know how to manage your risk properly. They also offer a variety of educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and market analysis. So if you're new to trading, you'll have plenty of learning materials at your disposal. When it comes to deposits and withdrawals, IFX Brokers supports a range of options from local bank transfers to e-wallets and even cryptocurrency payments. This makes funding your account and withdrawing your profits convenient and straightforward. IFX Brokers makes funding and withdrawing easy with multiple secure options. You can deposit using bank transfers, credit, debit cards, e-wallets like NetTeller and Skrill, or even cryptocurrency. Most deposits are processed instantly, and there are no deposit fees for withdrawals. You have the same convenient options. E-wallets and crypto withdrawals are typically processed within 24 hours, while bank transfers and card withdrawals may take up to 3 to 5 business days. IFX Brokers ensures secure, fast transactions, and best of all, there are no withdrawal fees on their end. Customer support is crucial when dealing with any broker. IFX Brokers provides 24/5 customer support via live chat, phone, and email. They are always available to help you with any questions or issues that might come up. So to wrap it up, IFX Brokers is a solid choice for traders in South Africa and beyond with their robust regulatory backing, competitive spreads, powerful platforms, and a range of educational resources. They provide an all-around excellent trading experience. If you're looking for a broker that gives you flexibility and top-notch tools for your trading journey, IFX Brokers might be the right one for you.